Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create MailerLite subscriber on FlexiFunnels form submission. So here I am conducting an online course, and here to get new registrations, I have created a form using FlexiFunnels. So here in this case, I want whenever I receive a new form submission through my FlexiFunnels, automatically using that detail, a new subscriber should be created in my MailerLite account so that I can engage with that student further. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create MailerLite subscriber on FlexiFunnels form submission. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I'm running an online course and I'm using FlexiFunnels to enroll new students. So here on my screen, you can see the form which I've created using FlexiFunnels, and here in this case, I want whenever someone fills out the form to sign up for the course, I need to make sure their contact information is added to my MailerLite list so I can keep them informed about the course updates and promotions. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my FlexiFunnels account with my MailerLite account, and by linking FlexiFunnels with MailerLite, I can automatically create a new subscriber in MailerLite whenever someone submits their details. So this setup allows me to send course materials, updates and special offers without having to manually enter their information. It simplifies my process and helps me maintain effective communication with my students. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. And now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Create MailerLite Subscriber on FlexiFunnels Form Submission. And here I'm going to select my folder as Automations. You can select a folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So now I'm going to select my trigger application as FlexiFunnels. So FlexiFunnels is a tool for creating and managing online sales funnels and marketing campaigns. It helps businesses design landing pages, build sales funnels, and automate marketing processes to boost conversions. People use FlexiFunnels because it simplifies the process of setting up effective sales funnels and automation, making it easier to attract and convert leads into customers. It's a popular choice for entrepreneurs and marketers looking to streamline their online sales strategies and grow their business. So in my FlexiFunnels trigger, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission, so that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our FlexiFunnels form, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture a response over here. And here you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my FlexiFunnels form with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my FlexiFunnels account, and from here I'm going to select my project, which is given over here. And here under this option I'm going to select my specific page, which is named as PC integration. So this is my form, and from here I'm going to click on this edit page. And here under this editor page, I'm going to select my form element, and from here I'm going to click on this setting option given over here. And from here again I'm going to select my setting option, and here under advanced settings I'm going to click on this connect here. And here you can see under integrations we have received the option for webhook over here. So from here I'm going to click on this option given over here. And now here it is asking me to enter my webhook name and webhook URL. So here for the webhook name, I'm going to enter the name as new leads. And here for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and now here I'm going to click on the save given over here. And with this, we have successfully connected our webhook URL inside our FlexiFunnels form. So now here I'm going to click on the save again. And with this, we have successfully set up our webhook URL. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and now here in this window, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to submit a test response in our FlexiFunnels form. So for that, let me take you back to my FlexiFunnels form. And here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo. Last name as lead, email as demo@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see we have successfully submitted a form over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the phone number, last name, country code, first name and email address. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as MailerLite. So MailerLite is an email marketing tool that helps you create and send professional looking email campaigns. It's easy to use and comes with features like drag and drop email design, automation and subscriber management. People use MailerLite because it simplifies the process of reaching out to customers with engaging newsletters and promotional emails. It's perfect for businesses looking to grow their email list and improve their marketing efforts without needing advanced technical skills. So here in my MailerLite action step, I'm going to select my action event as create or update subscriber, so that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our FlexiFunnels form, then automatically using that detail, a new subscriber should be created in my MailerLite account. And now here to connect my MailerLite account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your MailerLite account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my MailerLite account. And from here, I'm going to select integrations given on the left side bar. And here under integrations, you can see we have received the option for API. So here I'm going to click on this use. And then I'm going to generate a new token by clicking on this generate new token button given over here. And here I'm going to enter my token name such as new leads. And here I'm going to select this terms of use, and then I'm going to click on this create token. And here I'm going to copy it. And now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the API token. And now here after entering this API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the subscriber email. So you can see I have received a drop down menu to select the subscriber email. But as you know that I'm going to create a new subscriber over here, that means here I need to enter the new subscriber email address. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to map the subscriber email address over here. And here to map this detail, I'm going to turn on this map button given over here. So you can see we have successfully turned it on. So from here I'm going to remove this subscriber email address, and then here I'm going to refresh my fields. So here you can see we have successfully refreshed our fields. So now here, instead of entering this subscriber email address manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my subscriber's email address. So this is my lead's email address. Moving forward, here for the status I'm going to select active. And here this groups is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any group ID, then you can do it as per your need. And now here for the name, I'm going to map my lead's name. So for that, I'm going to select first name space last name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Again, this company, country, city are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And here for the phone, I'm going to map the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. And now again, this state and zip is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And now here, after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see I have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our MailerLite account. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber over here with the email as demo@pabblytudes.com. Let me open this for you. And here you can see all the subscriber details. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to generate a new test response in our FlexiFunnels form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. Here I'm going to refresh it. And now here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says your form has been successfully submitted. That means we have successfully submitted a response over here. So now let's go and check our MailerLite account to check whether we have created a new subscriber over there or not. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber over here with the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And now here you can see all the subscriber details given over here. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as FlexiFunnels and our action as MailerLite. So that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our FlexiFunnels form, then automatically using that detail, a new subscriber is going to be created in our MailerLite account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.